The Silent System TX400 portable transmitter stands out for its lightness and compactness, offering high-definition audio and guaranteeing up to 10 hours of battery life. On the top of the device is the power on-off button, along with 3.5mm audio inputs for the microphone and external music device. To select the transmission channel, press the M button for a few seconds, then use the two adjacent buttons to change the frequency and confirm your choice by pressing the M button again. On the right side of the device, you'll find the mini USB input for the charging cable.